Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Put on a certified welding helmet with the right shade for the process. This blocks harmful UV and IR instantly. Next, wear ANSI-rated safety glasses with side shields under the helmet to stop flying debris when you lift your hood. Once done, remove reflective jewelry and angle the work to minimize glare and spatter. These small actions prevent accidental exposure and give you a clear visual baseline before striking the arc. Now focus on consistent protection. Adjust the auto-darkening helmet's delay and sensitivity so the lens darkens quickly and recovers when you stop. This prevents flash exposure. Make sure welding curtains or screens surround the area to contain arc light and protect others. Also, keep metal and reflective surfaces out of the beam path and maintain a clear zone behind the shield. Controlling reflections reduces unintended UV. Finish by visually inspecting and cleaning your helmet lens. A scratched or burned lens reduces protection and must be replaced. Once the arc is out, let hot metal cool and clear slag before removing eye protection, and check your eyes for irritation or blurriness. If you notice pain, tearing, or increased light sensitivity, stop welding immediately and get a medical evaluation. Early treatment for flash burns prevents long-term damage, so act without delay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.